Yo, YouTube. Singh Zima.
Yeah, in a real boss, so I pray.
The girls them know, fresh every day and such. The thugs them know, when me touch mobile. Why pray?
Yo, YouTube. Waiting on some right now. We'll get to the best friend tag. You see, it's a mad move.
Whiskey, you want some?
Whiskey?
I'm done up whiskey scar.
Yo, YouTube.
Yo, God, Singh Zima.
Yeah, we're there, dog. And today we're getting the best friend tag. You see it?
You see it?
With this weird ass nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What question you gonna ask me?
What question am I gonna ask you?
Could be anything, dog. There's so many
Anything,
questions.
dog, you see it? So we're just gonna come off at the top of our head and answer random questions. First question.
Yeah.
How much money for?
Sing, you're there with X number 1 or X number 3?
Dog. I'm gonna line on my ex them, dog. Say, you know them for the?
What?
Why you ban the game so much?
Because well, I'm good at COD.
Good at card.
I get money for COD.
Donna.
Tell me why you have so much phones in your house, so much chargers.
Dog, some of them there.
Yo, Sam. Yo, Sam.
Yo,
Yo, Sam.
yo.
Yo, Sam.
What you want?
Yo, Sam.
Talking to my
Yo,
dog?
Sam.
What you want?
Suck your mother. Yo, Sam.
Yo. Fuck that no Gaza. Fuck.
How long have we been best friends?
I know this brother for like 6 years now.
6 years. 06. No,
Six.
what the fuck?
In 2006 I met you, dog.
No, that's not 6 years though.
You stupid.
Like,
It
10
just
years.
crap that hood.
What's our weirdest moment?
Our weirdest moment.
Weirdest moment?
There's so many, dog.
Oh, yo.
Oh yeah,
Remember the time that.
oh
this year,
shit.
dog?
Oh, can't say that,
You
dog.
can't say that. Sam, what's the second weirdest moment?
X took us like around the back, yeah, and like she took us around the back to play with panties.
So, what's the most trouble you ever got into?
The most trouble we ever got into, we literally ran across in the hallway and we broke our neighbor's pot. And like when she did cuss her off, it was like,
Move from a rascal thing. Move to rascal, move. You know, get the bomber card right. So talk to your friend, man. You can't talk to him.
I remember that clearly, yo.
that shit was fucked up. She said, dirty sound will sting.
So sorry, Auntie P.
Sorry.
That was so many years ago. Like,
But in my defense, it was X's fault.
fun fact. He's born 6 days after me.
It's just 6 days, dog. Come on.
I'm older than you, dog.
I hate you guys.
What's the craziest thing we've ever done? Well, like, we found this acorn thing, a bonnet. And
It smelled like chicken. So free set. We threw it in the
threw it
garden.
in the garbage, but
I almost-
start
Yeah.
flames.
The most I ever rage, I was literally playing Call of Duty and like I lost my Xbox that day. I literally threw juice all over my Xbox. I took the controller and I threw it at the TV and it hit the juice, dog.
And it just spilled, man.
The crowd I did it, dog. Sing, what was the funniest moment that ever happened in my life?
I remember when I was younger, and like this nigga was bathing and like the
Oh, Jesus
on the
Christ.
fucking like, you know, the washing the pipes on the back.
No!
And it's like, yo, this nigga's grandma was like, yo, somewhere.
Clot, I'm a rascal, but I'm going to give your mother notice. I'm going to give your mother notice. I'm going to tell her I should enter my cell. I'm tell her I said, you're rascal.
What's your impression of me, dog?
I'm Sam. I play games a lot.
Really, nigga?
So Singh just went to use the bathroom and like I'd like to say that I'm used to get some blood when me a child, dog. So it started off, I told that to my grandma. She come outside, Will come in and she's like, oh hi Daniel. She said, Samuel, come here. The wrongest thing me ever do. What she did, memory and act it for you. Hey little boy, me never tell you to come bed. Oh grandma, I'm sorry, me I go bed right now. Go. You want to come here, so I get some blood clot me, you know. That day mentally described me for the rest of my life. You need to stop. Call 455 67. Yo,
Ready, dog?
I remember the day we get eaten, dog.
Like that?
back.
I don't know who guess that you have to take over my YouTube channel. Like, I will guess it. I text you, guess it.
So thank you guys for watching the video. I'd like to shout out Jamari, Zoe, Karika, and Daniel.
And I'd like to shout out everybody.
Oh yeah, and don't forget.
Them love when me sing so. I them what want for me the eye. Raindrop fall from the window. But where's my sweetie pie? Although me drive the girl them crazy, girl I chase me now. Me need to find one.